All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am in the house with a Peter Rassenti large Nirvana 4.0 for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this gorgeous piece of metal made in Canada. It's just fantastic. Let's just clean it up. This is an integral Mokutai knife. One screw only is the only job you have, so just tackle that and just unscrew that pivot, which in this case is zirc. Just take that out like so. If it doesn't want to come out, it's just gonna come out like that. Then there's nothing to keep pinched because this is an integral knife, but you just want to do this, all right? And maybe you want to just pop that screw out, just release a little bit of tension on the lock bar and very gently remove the blade. You can grab like some sort of a that's like a alcohol swab kind of thing. And just then go. This is like bone dry. It's the second time. These guys are failing me. This is not. So that's good. Just grab that. Clean the tang of the blade, the bearing track nicely like so. Integral knives are a pleasure to take care of. Caged bearings. Let's clean the collar and the pivot out, like so. Clean this part, let's clean this part. We can do, you know what, something just jamming this thing in. And with a piece of plastic, you can just have it on the inside, like so. All right. And as you can see, I'm just gonna jam this thing through right there, and just so to clean all the inside of the handle. And that's it, guys. That is really it. I'll grab some in this case 10 weight nano oil. I'm just gonna do like 1, 2, and 3 drops on this side. Bearings are in. Flip it. 1, 2, and 3 drops on that side. Bearings in. Pinch. Put this thing back in, pinched like so. Align, something like that. Then this goes on the other side. So just, it's hard to show it like that. And then just release the tension, press the pivot in. Collar, of course, goes in, and pivot screw on this side. I don't have the spanner for this one, so I'm just gonna press it down there and screw it in from this side, like so. Probably it's too tight. We're gonna check in a second. Don't forget to put a little bit of lube on the detent ball. That is gonna help a big time. Don't forget to put the cap back on your lube. Let's see, blade looks centered, maybe a little bit. Yeah, now there's no blade play. Whew, look at this. Very cool action, very smooth, guys. That is amazing. 10 weight nano oil for the win in this Peter Rassenti large Nirvana 4.0. Ooh, that is a fun one. So there you have it. Hope you guys really enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.